So I figured I'd make another nighttime Fox recording while Jared is out gallivanting in the geisha district. You think I'm kidding? But really not. I'm really loving this place that we're staying in Tokyo. If I was to move to Japan, this is probably where I would want, maybe not exactly here, but something similar where it's still like a city, but it's a quiet city. I like that. It's like a nice balance. I can still get pretty much anywhere from here, but I don't have too much of the hustle and bustle. Really enjoy that. I'm trying to go to 7-Eleven for dinner. Don't know how to get there. I've got to kind of figure it out on my own. I don't want to get ran over. I think I see it? I'm not sure. I do see it. It's a lot closer than I remember it being. That's why I'm not sure. But I have terrible distance vision. So it could be, what could possibly be the 7-Eleven logo, could possibly just be like an antler or something. I don't know. A lot of terrible distance vision, so we'll see. But yeah, so I plan on doing a fun video for you guys of like social norms and social don'ts of if you come to visit Japan. I've watched a few videos on myself, but like it's not a good balance of any of them. It's like a lot of people bring up these social don'ts, but like that's a lot of them have stuff like doesn't even like nobody would ever do anyways, or some of them are just too long. Mine would be kind of short ones, to be honest. But I also want to. That's why I also want to do social do's. So the best social don't I've seen so far is the Broad in Japan channel, which is some of my inspiration. He has the best social don'ts so far. Like they're just common mistakes or simple things that people could do while in Japan that would just have people frown upon you. So, but yeah, so I'm hoping that that will go well for me and be kind of like a funny video. Most of my videos are just kind of showing you guys the sights or try to be informative. So this one, again, will be informative, but on the more lighthearted side, not so less serious, even though my videos aren't never very serious. Still not used to recording in front of people. Gotta get over that. Oh, and I was right. It is 7-Eleven as well. It's a lot closer than I remember it being. It's weird. Anyways, so I think it'd be fun to do do's and don'ts of if you come to Japan. It's also kind of like a preliminary video. If I do move here, my friends and family can watch it and then ask me any questions. And if you guys ever have questions about my videos, just leave them in the comments. My email warns me when I get comments because I don't get any. So I'll try to answer them. as best as I can. It's really cold out. Shrimp was dying from overheat, but I still thought it was cold. Like, I had such a bad fever. I went and took a bath to kind of hopefully break the fever, and it felt like it did. So anyways, I'm here at 7-Eleven. Catch you guys back on my way back. Another little fun fact: if you come to Japan, don't be afraid to stop at a 7-Eleven and get food. It's kind of delicious. I'm like strangely addicted to their fried chicken in their little hot, I don't know what you call it, hot plate area where they just keep the food warm. So good. So good. Anyways, yeah, so the quality of food here is far above and beyond American quality, that you can go to a 7-Eleven and spend, let's see, how much did I spend? About $10. And I got myself a drink, breakfast for tomorrow, dinner, and a snack. So, I forgot to get ice cream. I wanted to get ice cream. Oh well. So yeah, good deals. Also, there's a place, ramen place down the street from here, where we got some curry ramen, and it was like $6 for a nice bowl, nice big bowl. Warmed us up. Oh, so good. Telling people, like, it's always the food, like, so far above and beyond American standards. It's not even funny. And then also, like, that's another thing I should do. I should do misconceptions about Japan that foreigners have, because everyone's always like, oh, so like, it has to be so expensive to live there and everything like that. And it's like, no, like, you can live on the outskirts of Tokyo for about $600-ish. And if you lived on the outskirts of LA, that would cost probably about closer to $2,000. And the place you'd get in Japan, I guarantee you, it might not be big, but it'd be better kept than the place you'd get in LA. Because trust me, I used to work in LA, and I tried looking for places out there. None of them were good. None of them. So yeah. So there's a lot of misconceptions about Japan when it comes to the way of living out here. I think the hardest thing about living out here is that you would never... I actually saw somebody talking about Twitter on this, like, you're never really considered accepted if you're not Japanese and you live here, because you gotta keep in mind, like, 90% of the country is Japanese. I don't know of any other country that's like that. Most countries have much higher percentage of foreigners in their country, and I'm rounding down about the percentage of Japanese that live here. So it's weird to it's hard for a lot of people to live here, even like if you're from a different Asian country. It's just still hard to live here because they don't never really accept you. And I think it's not that they really don't accept you, it's just they don't know how to be around you, because for them it's still weird with their country. Even though tourism here has skyrocketed in the last few years, it's still weird for them to see foreigners. A lot of people talk about when they live here that a lot of Japanese people just want to talk with them just because they're fascinated by the fact that they're not Japanese. And so it gets on some people's nerves. For me, like, I don't know if that would get on my nerves. I can't say for sure. I'm also very oblivious to things. So somebody just randomly walking up and talking to me, I wouldn't think anything of it. It's like, oh, okay, this guy wants to talk. So maybe it's sometimes good thing to be oblivious to things. No, that's not true. But yeah, so I should make a misconception video. I don't know if I'm gonna do it while I'm here. I'll try. If not, I'll do it when I'm back in the States. Whew, it's cold. See if I have any last minute remarks for you before I go inside. Probably not. If you liked the video, actually, I have a question. Do you guys like these little nighttime walks? I do. If you do, let me know. Like the video. Let me know what you think about them in the comments. If you like my video so far, please subscribe. But yeah, if you guys like them, I'll try to do more of them. But I'm here at my hotel, so catch you guys later.